on, right?
Did you fucking put this on here?
No. Yes, I did.
Yes.
I did. It felt right.
Get that shit out of the way. Kind of keep a little bit of pressure here, but nothing crazy, just a little bit. Not poking the hole. I need you to push. Almost. Keep pushing. Oh, shit. Such a terrible
It really
design.
is horrible.
Because of the TGV, it's a pain. Yeah. It's technically on, but I can't get it to go further there.
You could, if the turbo was able to slightly angle.
I could loosen this bracket, tighten it, and put the bracket back. There, see, now I can tighten it for that. And that's on there. Look at that. We're ready to go in almost.
Beautiful shiny nut.
Why you gotta say it like that?
I don't know. They're just hand tight.
I can't even unhand tight
What
that.
the fuck? What are hand tight?
This one I probably can't. This one I can't. Come try to unhand tight.
Alright. You would have crazy grip straight? Here. Damn, man, you fucking weak ass motherfucker.
Lies. Lies. I swear. This shit leaks.
Okay.
I just need to tighten the motherfuck out of that.
I think we're both going senile.
That's all we've been doing all day. Hell yeah. All I gotta do is roll outside, put it on the lift, put the flywheel and clutch on, and stab it in the car.
Hell yeah. It's awesome, dude.
Yes, it is.
Well, it is officially ready to be installed on the 2012 Plasma Blue Pearl STi hatch. Not that you can see it with all of the hoses, but we have a pouch, 1.5. We also have an IAG oil pan, and also IAG headers installed. So this we are expecting around 370 to 400 on E85. So we shall see.